This trade, you can see that we had already traded down. I took that in a couple different trades on the way down to that 400. And then they came right to that 400. So I thought there was a pretty good chance they would try to clean that level. And as we started pushing up, I was looking in the obvious area of the VWAPs. And you can see it's also the top of the two nodes there that are on the, if you look at that 5-minute chart, you can see it. But that thick red line is the value area high of the previous week. So as we started making lower highs there, we kind of looked above that level, and then we started making lower highs. I entered, like I said, trying to be a part of cleaning that 400. And it actually already took off 2 of my contracts. So right in this area, I had 2 contracts that almost immediately it took those out. So I'm holding these last 2 to see if I can extend a little bit further. You have the value area low down there. You can look on that. If you look in the TPO or either one of the volume profiles there, you can see how the volume really tapers off. I just wanted to see what I could get out of this. Right here, I'm measuring my 40 ticks. I didn't see any sign of it coming back on me. The only thing I was worried about, like I was looking at that 5-minute chart right there, was if you look how it's stepping up. So this would be like the 3rd step up, that would possibly push back towards those VWAPs. With the tempo changing like this, I was just slowing down. I'm going to start following this down. And that thick yellow line is the weekly POC. You can see how they're reacting to that. But like I said, I was trying to give this a chance to extend a little farther. I thought they would want to, and they actually did end up cleaning that 400 later in the day, but they swept it just like I thought they would. So just bring that stop down. I probably should have just done both contracts at this time, but really, this does push a little further, and that's kind of why I was holding that second one. But I think you want to be careful that you're not. I get caught up in trying to get those few extra ticks, and they're just not worth it most of the time. What I was looking for here, and basically the reason I was holding this last one is I thought there would be kind of a little an accelerated, push towards that 4,000, and you get a little bit of that. Just right there's my 40 ticks. At this point, I should have closed it right there. There's no reason really not to close it here, except that I was waiting for, like right there at the break of that, I expected that to, I thought there was a chance that that would flush all the way down there. So it's not a big deal. A few ticks, and it takes me out there.